Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are talking about the newest Mothership palette of Pat McGrath Labs, the Bronze Seduction, that looks like that. And we're gonna jump straight into the tutorial and then I'll come back and give you swatches and share my thoughts. I'm starting with the shade Bleach Flame and I'm just packing that all over my eyelid. Then I'm going with the shade Entrapment as my transition color. Then I'm going with the shade Rose Gold 005 and I'm hitting the inner corner. For the lower lash I'm using Entrapment. With a little bit of the Bleach Flame. And then, just here on the inner corners, I'm using the Astral Luna Gold. Just pack. And under the brow, I'm going with the Skin So Divine Glow. Firstly, let's start with the box. Isn't this the most beautiful, gorgeous box you've ever seen? I think so. So it has a little string here and it opens up like this. And this house, like, you know, the shades, the name of the shades. This palette is made in Italy and retails for 200 Australian dollars. It's very, very heavy. Look at this packaging, seriously. It's classic, like, you know, Pat McGrath Mothership palettes packaging. Pat McGrath Labs. Mothership, use without caution. Shade throwing and eye ecstasy may result with prolonged use. Even the mirror on that is just beautiful, isn't it? And you get these shades over here. I wish the shade names, they wouldn't come in this card. They would print it somewhere inside. And also it feels very, very weighty. Now let's start with the swatches. I'm gonna start with the first row here. This is the Skin So Divine Glow. This is like a shimmery color. This is the Entrapment and this is a matte, like a matte brown. This is the Bronze Blaze, the Rose Gold 005. Beautiful, exactly like the bronze. Then we have the VR Fire Opal, and that is one of these unique duochrome shades that usually Pat has in her palettes. So this is the first row. And this is the second row. This is the Extreme Aubergine, obviously a matte color. And this is the Guilty Pleasure, and that is like again like a shimmery foil color. And this is the Disobedient, another matte color, more browny. This is more obviously aubergine, like purpley. And this is the Bleach Flame. And this is one of the duochromes that she has at the end, the Astral Luna Gold. I'm gonna put the Fiery Opal, the duochrome color, on top of the aubergine. You see how now it changed? And I'm gonna put the Astral Lunar Gold, the two duochromes, on top of the brown. These are the two duochromes. That is on the first row that called VR Fire Opal, and this is the Astral Lunar Gold. As you can see, it just transforms it, right? Now about the palette. As I said, there are like different finishes in this palette, 10 shades, and you get 3 mattes that you can use as a transition color. And this you can use like deep in the crease, lower lash. The mattes, they perform exceptionally well, and I love that in this one it didn't include the black one. Of course, it's always nice to have a black matte one, but you can do many things with that aubergine, which is beautiful and interesting color. Then you have like some sort of like a shimmery, satiny, shimmery shade, which is here. You can use it under the brow or inner corner or whatever you want to do. The Skin So Divine Glow. And then you have these like kind of foiled shades, the gold and the rose gold that I use on the inner corner. And these two shades that they are kind of like shimmery but not as foiled as this. This is more actually glittery, more glittery. If you know what I mean, like I'm gonna use the rose gold. You see here, more like glittery, and this is more kind of like smooth. You see what I mean? And then you have these two duochrome shades, and again they are more on the glittery side, but they're just gorgeous. I mean, look at that. Now, the mattes perform exceptionally well. The shimmer shade performs great. These like glittery too, fantastic. These two, the foils and the duochromes. What can I say? They have like extreme pigment. You don't have to go back and forth, build it up, build it up. You don't need to have spray fix plus. The color is there, boom, in your face. They're very glittery. And although they're very glittery, they have minimal fallout, if you know what I mean. The mattes blend seamlessly, they're not patchy, they're very smooth. The glittery and shimmery ones, they perform extremely well. They have high impact of shine, just extremely beautiful. What can I say? I'm very, very happy. Like if you look here, it is daytime appropriate, as per me. And then you have these pop like shades here that you can transfer, then you can do whatever you want. But there are no rules in makeup, guys. You can use and wear whatever you want, whatever makes you happy. That's what my opinion is. Obviously, you can understand that I love this palette. I don't know if it's too early to say that this is probably one of my favorite palettes. Even better than the Natasha Denona. Even the box is like luxurious. What else can I say? That's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like the look I've created today. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and share your thoughts below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, mwah, bye.